You might have pain across the front of your head, side of your head, into your neck, or all three places. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get rid of a headache in less than 2 minutes. There's never a good time for a headache. They seem to come at the worst times. They prevent you from enjoying life, they decrease your quality of life, and interrupt your daily activities. In fact, you might have a headache right now. I want you to share this video with someone you know that suffers from neck pain or headaches. I know they'll appreciate it. The amount of time we spend in front of our computers, sitting in poor posture, definitely contributes to this problem. I want to get right to it and show you how you can relieve your headache in 2 minutes or less in the comfort of your home. Follow along with me now. We're going to do 3 things in this routine. I found it really effective for cervicogenic headaches, tension type headaches, and even my migraine patients seem to benefit significantly from this routine. If you find after doing this your headaches are gone, great. It might take up to 15 minutes to work, but if they're still there, then repeat the process. So the very first thing we're going to do is we're going to do a trigger point in the suboccipital area. So we're going to take our fingers, we're going to drop off the back of our skull into that tender area. You can either do circular movements or you can just do a trigger point. The thing we want to do though that's going to make this a bit different is we're going to take our chin and tuck it in to elongate the muscles and stretch them at the same time. What that does, it allows you to get deeper into the suboccipital triangle, which is a common cause of these types of headaches. And we're going to do this for about 30 seconds. Again, you can do circular motions if you want. Keep your chin tucked and your neck elongated. We want to stretch and get really deep into that area. You'll know you're on it when you find that tender spot. You might even reproduce some of the discomfort in the head or neck. The next thing we're going to do, we're going to stretch that same area. And we're going to do this very specifically. What we want to do is we want to actually take our hands and we want to pull our thumbs along our jawline. And what we're going to do is we're going to kind of keep our thumbs together, and as we tuck, we're going to pull up. So the movement's going to be this. So we're going to rotate forward gently as we chin tuck. So again, if you have TMJ problems, watch out because it might irritate your TMJ joint. Just keep your thumbs off if you need to, or grab a bit lower. But the best way to do it, along the jawline, chin tuck, and we're going to pull up as we're doing this. It's going to traction the back of the neck. And you can do this for about 30 seconds, or you could do 3 sets of 10 seconds. Now, if you find one side of your neck is tighter than the other, or the headache feels like it's stemming from one side or the other, the same movement, but we're just going to tilt to the opposite direction. So if it's tight on your right, we're going to rotate and tilt the opposite side. So if it's tight on this side or your headache's on this side, we're going to tilt and stretch, and we're going to stretch up. If it's the opposite side, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to tilt, rotate, and up. Immediately following the stretch, we're going to go right to a nice, gentle traction while we're doing some acupressure points. Take a pillowcase, fold it in half, and then we're going to roll it. And depending on the size of your neck, you might need to get a little bit thicker pillowcase, or you can just fold it in half. My neck isn't that big, so we're going to use this. We're going to lay this down like this. And we're going to keep our knees bent for this. Place this in the middle part of your neck, actually I do need to fold this in half, just to get and promote that natural curve. There we go, much better. And you're going to keep your knees bent to keep the pressure off your lower back, but while we're sitting here, we want to externally rotate the shoulders to get the shoulders in good posture. But while we're doing this, we're going to use some acupressure at the same time. While we're lying here for 60 seconds, we're going to massage this area just between the thumb and the index finger. And you can go back and forth for 15 seconds on each side while you're in this nice relaxed position with your shoulders back. And then we're going to change to gallbladder or the temporalis. We're going to come above our ears about 2 centimeters, And again, we're just going to we can either sustain pressure at the acupressure point, or we can just do some gentle circular massage. And this will be for another 30 seconds. It's a really relaxing position. You should be thinking, breathing through your belly, relaxed. Try to get all the stress out of your head while you're doing this. And I know that you'll feel relaxed and your headache should start to dissipate. Now, I recommend you moving through this process the moment you feel you have a headache coming on. And for some of you, for stubborn headaches, you might need to go through this process 2 to 3 times. But you should notice after the first 2 minutes some immediate relief. If you liked that video and found it helpful, please hit the thumbs up. If you have a question, leave it in the comments below and I'll get to answering it as soon as I can. If you like videos like this, maybe you want to subscribe to our channel so you can be informed when I upload a new video. I make these videos for you. They're to help you help yourself in the comfort of your home. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Until then, stay well.